Guys, you can make money online just speaking your native language, and that's what I'm gonna show you today, how I'm doing it.
Now, let's see how much money I have made so far on iTalki.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you are new here, karibu, welcome. My name is Tali, and on this channel we talk about different ways you can make money online, whichever part of the world you are based out of. We talk about passive income opportunities, and we also talk about internet entrepreneurship. So if any of these topics sound exciting to you, then you want to hit the subscribe button below so that every time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. So without much further ado, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make money online in Kenya, speaking my native Kiswahili and Luo languages. At the beginning of this year, I purposed in my heart to add 6 additional side hustle to my existing side hustles. As I was going through the different ways I'm gonna achieve this goal, I decided that whatever side hustle it is that I'm going to engage in, it must be something that I'm already doing so that the learning curve is as short as possible, and also so that it doesn't take too much of my time. So I was like, I am a native Swahili speaker, I am a native Luo speaker. How can I make money online using the skills that I already possess? And that's how I stumbled on the website italki.com, and that is where I am currently teaching Kiswahili and the Luo. So if you are interested in starting up as an online tutor on italki.com, you want to check this video up here where I outline the entire process of how you can enroll as a teacher. And the beauty with iTalki is that when you enroll, they do not charge you to teach on their platforms, but once you have had a student you have taught and you have been paid, they take a very little percentage of your income. I think it's like 1.5, for example. So I enrolled on iTalki sometime in January. I think it was January 25. At the shooting of this video is February 13th. So that's about 3 weeks ago. That's when I enrolled on iTalki, and so far my experience has been nothing but amazing. The startup process was very easy. It took less than total of 2 hours to start up on iTalki. What is required? Number one, an introductory video of yourself explaining what you're offering your students, and it has to be in all the languages in which you intend to offer your services. So for example, in my case, I was hoping to teach English, Kiswahili, and the Luo on iTalki. So my video had to be in all those 3 languages. I'm going to show you in a bit my introductory video. I speak in the Luo, I speak in Kiswahili, and I also speak in English. On iTalki, you can teach either as a community tutor or as a professional teacher. The difference is that as a community tutor, you do not need any professional certification to teach. As a professional tutor, you need to be certified in the language in which you want to teach. So for example, if you want to get on iTalki as a professional Swahili tutor, you must have Swahili linguistic or teaching certification, and you're gonna be required at registration to upload your certification before you get approved to teach on iTalki. Majority of the teachers on iTalki are actually community tutors, which means you do not need certification to start teaching on iTalki. That is basically one of the greatest advantages of making money online by teaching native language on iTalki. So that was the basic enrollment procedure. Shoot a video, get on the italki.com website. So you just go to teach.italki.com and then enroll. So how it works is that every week iTalki releases a schedule of languages that are available for teachers to teach. So let's say they have, like, I don't know, English, Spanish, French, and there's currently too many teachers already teaching. So when you try to apply as an English teacher, you will not be able to click on that. However, they allow you to enter all the languages that you can teach in, so that you can keep checking back and forth to see if there's slots that are available for you. And then something else, once you have filled in your bio data and you have already uploaded your video, they will check that your video meets the requirements. That is, you speak in the different languages, for example, and you have entered all the details well, and then they will send you a pre-approval. And in a bit, I'm going to show you how it looks like. And then they'll give you an option to go back to the platform and do a live video of yourself. And you also have to upload your ID. And once you have done that, in about 24 hours, iTalki staff will again check your details to make sure that it meets the requirements. They'll also ask you to watch their certain videos, and those videos are just to educate you on how the platform works, to teach you on the policies that apply, what happens if you, don't show up for class, or if you cancel classes, what are the penalties, or when you have disputes, how do you handle them with a student. So those are the kind of topics that they will teach you to make sure that you have a smooth teaching experience, and also your students have a smooth learning experience. The last thing they will do, once you have watched all the videos, they will ask you to book a session with the iTalki staff, and this is all done online, and it's gonna be like a 1-hour Zoom meeting. It's not a meeting per se, but again, it's basically where they take you through the entire iTalki process, how you book lessons, how you do all the stuff and how it works. And then if you have any questions, they even allow you to ask them prior to the Zoom meeting, so that at the Zoom meeting, they'll be responding to them. And in the event that there was more questions than the time available, they'll actually get back to you, and then you get approved. And then something else is that they assured us that within 3 weeks of enrolling as an iTalki teacher, you are going to start getting requests. And if for any reason you have been on the platform for 3 weeks, you have filled in your entire profile, you have entered all the packages that you are going to be teaching, and you still haven't gotten a message or a lesson request, and 3 weeks has elapsed, they actually ask you to contact them. Let's head over to my computer, and I'm going to show you how the iTalki platform looks like. We're going to go through my teacher profile, and we'll see how many lessons have I booked so far, how much money have I earned, how many classes do I have upcoming, and everything else that pertains to being an iTalki teacher.
This is my iTalki teacher profile.
My name is Eva, and I come from the beautiful country of Kenya, and I'm excited to be your Kiswahili tutor.
This is the video that I had mentioned you need to upload. You have an option to become a community tutor or a professional teacher. I am a community tutor because I do not have any certifications. So far, I have had 3 lessons and 3 students, 5-star rating, and I teach Luo and Swahili. I've also entered the languages that I speak. We have English and French, and this red bars shows your proficiency level. So if it's a deep red, it just shows that I am a native, and where it's a light red is proficient, and then elementary you just have 1 bar. This is my profile, so I'm basically just saying who I am as a person, and down here is who I am as a teacher. Then I have also decided to add a section on my lesson and teaching style, and also my teaching material. So the platform allows you to give different language packages. So for example, I offer conversation practice in basic beginner Luo, which is also the Luo. And then when it comes to Swahili, I have a lot more offers. So I have beginner Swahili basics, which is general, and then I also have informal tutoring where I teach basic vocabulary specialization. My rates start from $12 upwards, and there's like a 20% off if you buy more packages. So let's just take a look at how this lesson is structured. iTalki allows you to select the level of learner that you're looking at. So I have like A1, which is the lowest, and then B2 is sort of like intermediate, and I can be able to select what exactly I want to teach in this class. So in this class, I want to teach pronunciation, I want to teach grammar, and I want to teach reading. Then these are my prices. For 30-minute class, I am charging $5 US. For a 45-minute class, I am charging $7 US. And for a 1-hour class, I am charging $10 US. I started in January 25th. So that's like less than a month ago. I have had 3 completed lessons, 100% response rate and 100% attendance rate. This is one of the reviews from my student. She said, great class, thank you. Now let's just head over to my availability calendar so you can understand what I'm talking about. So when you see a green, it means that I am available to book classes. So where we have this blue is upcoming classes, and then when you see a purple, it means that somebody has requested a class and they are waiting for me to confirm availability. Where you see gray is a completed class. Let's check out my teacher calendar. I have a full-time job, so I am largely only available from 1600 hours during the week, and sometimes I'm not able to book as many classes, but I've still been able to book lessons. On the weekend, I have more availability. You can see from 6 o'clock to 2100. There is opportunity to make money when you sign up. If you are currently not engaged, I would encourage you to set up your profile on iTalki, and the more your availability, the higher your chances of booking more classes and the more money that you make. Let's look at something else. These are my lessons. You are allowed to offer up to 3 lessons per language. I have 1 out of the 3 for Luo, and I have 2 out of 3 for Swahili. So I can still create 1 extra Swahili lesson and 2 extra Luo lessons. You can come and create a lesson here and start making money. One way to make sure you can easily get booked for a class is to allow instant booking. This is basically a feature which automatically helps teachers accept any lesson request once it is turned on. So if a student books a class with me, I don't have to come back and confirm it. It automatically books it on my calendar, and you can choose if you want the instant booking only for new students or for your current students only, or for both of them. So it really depends on you. Now let's see how much money I have made so far on iTalki. So far I have made $19.55 US. That's about 2,300 Kenya shillings. This is net of the processing fee. They charge 1.5% of every amount that you earn. And to be honest, I think this is some good change for the amount of work that I did. A 45-minute class, another 45-minute class, and a 1-hour class. So that's about 2.5 hours for something that you are already doing and you enjoy doing. There are 3 ways that you can withdraw your earnings on iTalki. You can use Payoneer card, you can use PayPal, or you can use bank transfer. I think I'm gonna go the PayPal way. I would very highly recommend iTalki. It works.
So guys, that's it for today in terms of how I'm currently making money online by speaking my native Swahili and the Luo language. If you have any questions on how to get started on iTalki, then you wanna let me know in the comments below, and I will try my level best to answer it. Thank you very much for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye bye.